again, ready to read you another book. Today our book is I Will Be Fierce. Hey guys, it's Miss Addie again, ready to read you another book. Today our book is called I Will Be Fierce. So let's get into it. Today I will be fierce. I will answer to the call of adventure. I will put on my armor. I will fit my treasure. There I go. Damn, it's on. Hey guys, it's Miss Addie again. Hey guys, it's Miss Addie again, ready to read you another book. Today we are reading I Will Be Fierce. Today I will be fierce. I will answer to the call of adventure. I will put on my armor. I will fill my treasure chest. I will go forth to explore new worlds. Today I will be fierce. I will take on the monsters that stand in my way. I will drive back the dragons. I will dare to walk with the giants. I will charge the many-headed serpent. Oh no. Today I will be fierce. I will chart my own course. I will climb the mountain of knowledge. I will trick the guardian of wisdom into revealing her secrets. I will solve the mysteries of the unknown. Today I will be fierce. I will break away from the ordinary. I will stand up for my beliefs. I will build new bridges. I will search for light in the darkness. She looks so happy. Today I will be fierce. I will claim my victory. I will conquer my fears. I will make my voice heard. I will be the hero of my story. Today I will be fierce. I will lead the way home, and then I will rest. For tomorrow I will be fierce again. The end.